mengingatkan apa yang menjadi kewajiban anak-anak, apa yang harus anak-anak lakukan supaya di dalam pembelajaran melalui daring ini bisa berjalan dengan lancar. Pada saat anak-anak tatap muka pembelajaran di sekolah, untuk materi PJOK biasanya anak-anak paling suka ya anak-anak ya. Pada saat kalian berolahraga, luar biasa semangatnya anak-anak. Nah, sekarang Bapak mau bertanya untuk anak-anak, siapa yang sudah membiasakan olahraga secara rutin? Karena pada saat Bapak berikan tugas, biasanya Bapak ingatkan untuk kalian bisa melakukan bagaimana menjaga kebugaran tubuh, menjaga kebugaran jasmani supaya tetap bugar dan sehat. Anak-anak siapa yang sudah rutin untuk melakukan olahraga, melakukan aktivitas olahraga? Nah, pasti kalian di rumah ada kesempatan dan ada waktu ya. Kalau pada saat tatap muka pembelajaran di sekolah itu kalian semangat dan luar biasa. Bapak harapkan kalian pada saat di rumah pun demikian. Artinya menjaga kebugaran tubuh, menjaga kesehatan tubuh merupakan kebutuhan pokok. Karena dengan kesehatan yang prima, anak-anak bisa melakukan aktivitas dengan baik. Kemudian, kalau tadi Bapak sudah sampaikan, mengingatkan bahwa untuk kalian, kelas 5 angkatan sekarang, ini pada saat kelas 3 Pak Guru sempat mengajar kalian, berolahraga bersama kalian. Angkatan kalian ini luar biasa anak-anak. Nah, silahkan anak-anak lakukan olahraga dengan baik. Dengan tujuan apa? Apa yang ada pada diri kalian masing-masing, kemampuan kalian untuk beraktivitas olahraga, menjaga kebugaran kalian supaya tetap bagus. Kemudian, apa yang ada di dalam diri kalian, kemampuan kalian berolahraga supaya tidak hilang. Ada beberapa anak di antara kalian, ada beberapa anak-anak di antara kalian, ini bagus-bagus untuk aktivitas olahraganya. Kalian punya potensi yang luar biasa. Nah, untuk bagaimana supaya aktivitas itu bisa berkembang, potensi kalian, potensi olahraga kalian bisa berkembang lebih baik, silahkan anak-anak melakukan olahraga yang baik. Apa yang kalian minati, apa yang kalian sukai, silahkan dikembangkan di rumah anak-anak. Maksudnya seperti apa? Supaya pada saat kalian nanti kembali tatap muka di sekolah, kemampuan kalian di dalam aktivitas olahraga bisa berkembang dengan baik. Ya. Jadi pada saat siapa tahu nanti harapan kita bersama mudah-mudahan COVID-19 segera berakhir, kita bisa kembali berolahraga, beraktivitas seperti semula. Anak-anak yang punya potensi olahraga tetap kalian kembangkan agar nanti pada saat kita ketemu, ada kegiatan lomba, kita bisa mewakilkan anak-anak yang potensi, anak-anak yang berbakat. Ada futsal, di sana ada basket, bulu tangkis, dan beberapa olahraga yang lain. Silahkan kalian yang menekuni tetap dikembangkan agar potensi kalian ya bisa berkembang dengan baik anak-anak. Ada beberapa di antara kalian yang bagus-bagus ya. Ada Messi, Vano, ya, dan beberapa anak-anak yang lain. Sebenarnya kalian banyak potensi, ya. Tapi jangan kendor dengan adanya COVID ini. Tetap bersemangat anak-anak. Kemudian pada saat anak-anak berolahraga rutin secara baik, luangkan waktu bagi kalian, bagi anak-anak yang tugasnya belum selesai, praktek olahraganya belum selesai, ya. Ada beberapa anak ya untuk materi kebugaran jasmani, ada beberapa anak yang belum mengumpulkan tugasnya, ya. Silahkan kalian seperti yang tadi Bapak sudah sampaikan, bagaimana menjaga kebugaran tubuh. Nah, pada saat kalian melakukan aktivitas kebugaran tubuh, di antaranya kalian bisa lakukan gerakan sit up dan back up. Apalagi bagi anak-anak yang belum selesai untuk menyelesaikan tugasnya. Silahkan selesaikan, lakukan dengan baik, ya. Silahkan yang lupa dibuka di classroom, tugasnya apa. Segera dilengkapi supaya tidak kelupaan. Supaya kalau kalian bisa melakukan olahraga dengan rutin, dengan baik, ada manfaat jasmani yang sehat, manfaat tugas kalian terselesaikan dengan baik. Ya. Kemudian untuk sit up back up, Bapak ulangi, untuk sit up cukup 30 detik. Kemudian untuk back up juga sama ya, 30 detik. Kemudian untuk senam juga masih sama. Ada beberapa anak yang belum bisa mempraktekkan olahraga dengan rutin, ya, dengan teratur. Bisa Bapak lihat dari mana? Dari tugas yang belum terkirimkan, belum terselesaikan. Silahkan anak-anak yang pada saat awal tadi Bapak sudah ingatkan, kebutuhan kebugaran jasmani, kebutuhan kesehatan jasmani itu nomor 1, paling utama. Sebagai penunjang kegiatan yang lain. Maka silahkan anak-anak lakukan olahraga dengan baik, dengan rutin. Pada saat anak-anak melakukan olahraga dengan baik dan rutin, disiapkan waktunya untuk menyelesaikan tugas. Tugas praktek olahraga yang keterkaitan dengan menjaga kebugaran jasmani tadi. Ya. Untuk senam, Bapak ambilkan yang paling sederhana, anak-anak. Yang anak-anak sudah pelajari, yang anak-anak sudah praktekkan, ya, silahkan dibuat video, dikirim ke Pak Tadi melalui classroom, ya. Kemarin ada yang bertanya, kalau di classroom mengalami kesulitan boleh dikirim ke WA, ya. Bapak jawab silahkan, nggak apa-apa. Ya, tetapi dicoba dulu dikirim di classroom, ya anak-anak ya. Oke. Kemudian untuk supaya semua bisa selesaikan dengan baik, coba anak-anak belajar masing-masing untuk bertanggung jawab menyelesaikan tugas dengan tepat waktu. Bagaimana caranya? Mencoba untuk tidak menunda tugas kalian. Ya. Kalau kalian tunda satu, kemudian menunda kembali, akhirnya nanti akan menumpuk, nanti akhirnya akan repot. Apalagi sebentar lagi kalian akan pas penilaian akhir semester. Pasti banyak yang perlu anak-anak siapkan. Ya. Silahkan anak-anak persiapkan dengan baik untuk segala materi yang berkaitan dengan persiapan ulangan harian, ya, kemudian persiapan penilaian akhir semester, dan juga tidak kalah penting adalah tugas-tugas kalian yang harus kalian selesaikan untuk tugas harian. Tidak perlu anak-anak menunggu Pak Tadi atau Bapak Ibu yang lain mengingatkan dengan japri, ya, dengan WA, dengan telepon. Anak-anak pasti anak-anak yang luar biasa, tidak perlu diingatkan dengan tugas-tugas, tetapi kalian mampu untuk menyelesaikan tugas dan tanggung jawab kalian. Ya. Bapak tunggu untuk anak-anak yang tugasnya belum selesai. Kemudian untuk materi senam anak-anak. Materi senam yang Bapak sudah berikan contoh melalui video ataupun berikan rangkuman yang Bapak sampaikan di classroom, ya, silahkan kalian pelajari untuk rangkumannya, untuk persiapan untuk penilaian supaya kalian mencapai hasil yang baik. Kemudian persiapkan juga untuk persiapan materi penilaian akhir semester. Kemudian untuk materi senam anak-anak, ada beberapa yang perlu dimantapkan kembali. Untuk materi senam, di sana ada senam lantai, ada senam alat, ada senam irama, dan lain sebagainya. Nah, untuk materi kalian, ini yang akan kita pelajari adalah materi senam alat. Ya. Kemudian untuk materi senam alat, untuk tingkat SD masih sangat dibatasi anak-anak. Artinya, senam alat banyak sekali, tetapi untuk alat-alat yang kita gunakan ini menyesuaikan dengan tingkat usia kalian. Tetapi ada yang namanya pembinaan khusus. Pembinaan khusus mengikuti kegiatan latihan senam di klub itu berbeda. Tetapi kalau senam yang ada di tingkat sekolah itu ada batasnya. Nah, untuk materi kalian, materi anak-anak, ada beberapa yang bisa kita praktekkan. Mudah-mudahan nanti pada saat kalian sudah kembali bisa belajar tatap muka seperti pada saat kalian sebelum ada pandemi, kita bisa mempraktekkan di sekolah. Karena tidak semua materi yang ada di kurikulum, ya, materi yang ada di panduan pelajaran bisa kalian praktekkan di rumah anak-anak. Karena ada beberapa materi yang harus perlu pendampingan dari Bapak Ibu, ya, atau dengan Pak Tadi, ya. Maka yang Bapak berikan kemarin Bapak ambil dari materi keseimbangan yang paling sederhana, ya. Materi keseimbangan ini untuk apa anak-anak? Materi keseimbangan punya tujuan, ya. Tujuannya untuk melatih ketenangan dan konsentrasi. Melatih ketenangan dan konsentrasi. Kemudian di sana juga ada gerakan-gerakan yang Bapak contohkan di classroom, di catatan Bapak berikan beberapa gerakan yang Bapak cantumkan di sana, seperti handstand, ya, kemudian sikap lilin, kopstand, dan lain-lain. Nah, itu tidak semuanya bisa kalian praktekkan di rumah. Karena seperti yang tadi Bapak sampaikan, ada faktor risiko kalau kalian praktekkan di rumah. Jadi, cukup yang kalian praktekkan di rumah seperti yang Bapak contohkan dalam video anak-anak. Tadi di awal Bapak juga sudah sampaikan, ada beberapa materi yang harus perlu pendampingan oleh guru atau oleh Bapak Ibu yang lebih dewasa. Kemudian, apa yang membedakan untuk pengertian dari gerakan handstand? Handstand, gerakan berdiri terbalik, dengan tumpuan kedua tangan. Itu handstand. Posisinya hampir sama dengan kopstand. Kopstand berdiri terbalik dengan tumpuan kedua tangan dan kepala membentuk segitiga. Ya. Kalau kopstand, ya, berdiri terbalik dengan posisi tumpuan kedua tangan dan kepala. Kemudian di handstand, tumpuannya apa anak-anak? Tumpuannya kedua tangan. Kemudian sikap lilin. Sikap lilin, tumpuannya tengkuk dan bau. Ya. Nah, ini nanti bisa kita praktekkan untuk pada saat kalian sudah kembali bisa tatap muka, kembali ke sekolah, bisa tatap muka, pembelajaran seperti sebelum ada pandemi, kita bisa praktekkan nanti. Untuk yang materi-materi perlu pendampingan dari Pak tadi. Tetapi untuk yang Bapak tugaskan, materi yang tidak berisiko. Kemudian untuk alat-alat yang digunakan anak-anak, alat-alat yang digunakan dalam senam, Bapak juga sudah berikan gambar dan penjelasannya masing-masing di classroom ya anak-anak ya. Pelajari dengan baik. Di situ ada palang tunggal, palang sejajar, ya, balok titian atau balok keseimbangan anak-anak. Balok titian atau balok keseimbangan, kemudian matras. Nah, anak-anak kalau matras kan anak-anak sudah paham dan sudah pernah memanfaatkan, ya kan? Nah, hanya memang untuk yang bisa kita manfaatkan selain matras, nanti bisa balok titian atau balok keseimbangan. Nah, untuk apa? Palang sejajar dan palang tunggal untuk senam ini biasanya untuk tingkatan yang anak-anak ikut klub ya. Tetapi kalau anak-anak terbiasa mempunyai kelenturan yang bagus, ya, itu akan berkembang lebih baik. Ya. Kemudian di dalam gerakannya ada gerakan dominan statis, ada gerakan dominan berpindah tempat. Apa yang dimaksudkan anak-anak? Gerak dominan statis artinya gerakan yang hanya dilakukan di tempat, tidak berpindah tempat. Gerak dominan statis itu gerakan senam yang dilakukan di tempat, tidak berpindah tempat. Kalau di catatan Bapak berikan contohnya, misalnya gerakan keseimbangan, misalnya mengangkat satu kaki, kemudian menirukan pesawat terbang, kemudian juga gerakan handstand, gerakan kopstand, gerakan sikap lilin. Nah, itu contoh-contohnya. Masih ada beberapa gerakan lagi yang belum Bapak sampaikan, tetapi dari apa yang sudah Bapak berikan di catatan itu sudah cukup untuk sesuaikan dengan materi tingkatan anak-anak. Kemudian gerakan yang di situ namanya gerakan statis, ada gerakan bertumpu seperti tadi yang Bapak sudah jelaskan anak-anak, misalnya handstand, kopstand, ya, kemudian sikap lilin, itu tidak bergerak, hanya dilakukan di tempat, yang perlu ketenangan dan konsentrasi untuk mempertahankan keseimbangan. Kemudian yang satu lagi adalah gerak dominan berpindah. Apa yang dimaksudkan gerak dominan berpindah? Gerakan yang dilakukan dari satu titik ke titik yang lain. Ya. Misalnya anak-anak melakukan apa? Melakukan gerakan meroda. Ya. Itu pasti tidak di tempat. Pasti bergerak dari satu titik ke titik yang lain. Terus misalnya gerakan roll depan. Kalau bahasa anak-anak biasa sebut dengan bahasa jungkir balik. Ya. Anak-anak kalau sebut roll depan biasanya pada saat mencoba mengenal materi senam lantai kalian tertawa. Ya, tetapi anak-anak cenderung menamakan dengan gerakan jungkir balik. Tapi kalau bahasa di senam, di olahraga namanya roll depan atau roll belakang. Ya. Nah, untuk roll depan, roll belakang, itu juga merupakan contoh gerakan dominan berpindah tempat. Dari ujung matras, kita pada saat roll depan pasti bergerak ke tempat yang lain. Ya, apalagi rangkaian itu disambung 2 kali guling ke depan, pasti tidak di tempat semula, pasti bergerak ke tempat yang lain. Begitu pula pada saat anak-anak nanti mencoba melakukan gerakan guling ke belakang. Termasuk tadi yang sudah Bapak sebutkan, apa namanya? Gerakan meroda, ya, gerakan meroda juga berpindah tempat. Dan mungkin gerakan kayang pada atlet-atlet tertentu yang sudah terbiasa atau anak-anak yang punya potensi, ya, kelenturannya bagus, fisiknya bagus, itu juga bisa dijadikan gerakan dominan berpindah. Nah, pada saat anak-anak latihan di sekolah, dulu kalian mencoba dari posisi yang tidak berpindah tempat atau gerak statis. Karena apa? Karena kalian masih latihan dasar anak-anak. Jadi di situ untuk gerakan meroda itu ada pada saat latihan awal itu sebagai gerakan statis yang tidak berpindah tempat, tetapi kalau sudah berkelanjutan itu bisa menjadi gerakan dominan berpindah tempat, bergerak, berjalan dari satu titik ke titik yang lain. Ya. Kemudian dari contoh-contoh tadi itu nanti akan kita coba materi-materi yang bisa kita praktekkan pada saat kita sudah tatap muka. Kita akan coba lakukan satu persatu mana yang sesuai ya. Kemudian untuk hal-hal lain yang mungkin perlu Bapak ingatkan, pada saat anak-anak melakukan aktivitas olahraga, ya, setiap Bapak memberikan tugas, ya, perlu selalu Bapak ingatkan kenapa? Karena wajib pada saat sebelum kalian berolahraga, wajib melakukan pemanasan. Kenapa pemanasan wajib dilakukan? Supaya anak-anak tidak mengalami cedera. Kalau kalian sudah pemanasan terlebih dahulu, artinya secara fisik anak-anak menyiapkan tubuh kalian untuk beraktivitas lebih berat. Ya, siap melakukan aktivitas selanjutnya. Tetapi kalau kalian melakukan pemanasan tidak sungguh-sungguh atau asal-asalan, berarti kondisi fisik kalian, jasmani kalian belum siap beraktivitas, nanti bisa mengalami cedera otot. Maka silahkan, kalau anak-anak mau beraktivitas, mau berolahraga, silahkan pemanasan terlebih dahulu ya. Begitu pula setelah anak-anak melakukan olahraga, kalian perlu tutup dengan kegiatan pendinginan. Supaya apa? Supaya kondisi jasmani kalian kembali seperti semula, kembali tenang, ya, untuk mengembalikan kondisi tubuh kalian. Bagaimana caranya? Lakukan gerakan-gerakan seperti perenggangan pada saat kalian selesai berolahraga, supaya kondisi jasmani kalian kembali normal. Kalau bahasa anak-anak, tidak ngos-ngosan lagi, tidak capek-capek lagi, tidak lelah banget, ya. Nah, itu untuk hal-hal yang perlu Bapak sampaikan anak-anak. Tadi yang pertama, Bapak mengingatkan kepada anak-anak, untuk anak-anak silahkan jangan pernah lupa, jangan pernah bosan. Kalian harus selalu melakukan olahraga secara rutin, walaupun kalian olahraga tidak bersama dengan teman-teman, walaupun olahraga hanya kalian lakukan di rumah, mungkin bisa kalian lakukan bersama kakak atau adik atau keluarga. Tidak masalah, yang penting kalian tetap harus menjaga kebugaran kalian. Kemudian yang kedua, silahkan anak-anak yang tadi Bapak sudah ingatkan untuk tugas-tugasnya, di saat kalian beraktivitas, di saat kalian berolahraga secara rutin, luangkan waktu untuk membuat video kegiatan kalian olahraga ya. Terutama bagi anak-anak yang belum menyelesaikan tugasnya. Kemudian yang ketiga, untuk materi-materi persiapan penilaian akhir semester, silahkan anak-anak pelajari dari materi yang Bapak sudah coba rangkumkan dalam rangkuman. Silahkan dipelajari di classroom, ya. Untuk penilaian akhir semester, nanti materinya dari materi kebugaran jasmani, kemudian materi pencaksilat, dan materi senam. Silahkan anak-anak pelajari dengan baik, supaya nanti pada saat anak-anak menyelesaikan soal penilaian akhir semester dapat menyelesaikan dengan baik. Waktu untuk penilaian akhir semester tidak lama lagi. Silahkan anak-anak belajar untuk disiplin, bertanggung jawab, ya. Pada saat kalian waktu yang kondisi seperti ini, atur waktu sebaik-baiknya. Atur waktu supaya kalian bisa mengatur waktu bagaimana supaya kerjaan kalian, tugas kalian tidak menumpuk. Jangan menunda-nunda pekerjaan, ya. Selesaikan satu persatu dengan baik. Begitu anak-anak ya, untuk hari ini. Tadi ada beberapa hal yang perlu Bapak sampaikan, yang sudah Bapak sampaikan. Silahkan anak-anak praktekkan, terapkan dengan baik, kemudian siapkan dengan baik untuk penilaian akhir semester kalian, untuk tugas-tugas kalian yang belum selesai, silahkan diselesaikan, supaya semua bisa berjalan dengan baik, dan pada akhirnya nanti anak-anak bisa mencapai hasil yang maksimal. Kalian akan bangga dengan diri kalian sendiri. Kalian akan membanggakan orang tua kalian, dan Bapak, Ibu, serta suster pasti ikut bangga kalau kalian menjadi anak-anak yang bisa bertanggung jawab, yang bisa menyelesaikan tugasnya dengan tepat waktu. Begitu anak-anak, apa yang Bapak sampaikan, semoga
Iya, Pak.
nanti pada saat pertemuan berikutnya semua sudah beres tugasnya, semua sudah siap untuk menyelesaikan dan menghadapi penilaian akhir semester. Tetap semangat dan jangan lupa untuk jaga kesehatan. Oke anak-anak, terima kasih. Sampai ketemu untuk
Terima kasih,
pertemuan
Pak.
berikutnya.
Baik, Pak.
Ya.
Pak, terima kasih.
Ya, terima kasih anak-anak.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih, Pak.
Siap, Pak.
Terima kasih, Pak.
Selamat pagi. Terima kasih Bapak Ibu semuanya. Terima kasih Suster.
Terima kasih, Pak.
Terima kasih Mr. Damas.
Ya.
Salam sehat anak-anak semuanya.
Ya, Pak tadi.
Oke, terima kasih.
Okay, thank you. So it's my turn now. Good morning, everyone.
Sup.
Morning,
Morning, Miss.
Mr. Damas.
Good morning, Mr. Damas.
Damas.
From 5A, 5B, and 5C. How's life? How have you been?
Great.
Life, great.
A bit tired.
Oh, you're tired. Why? Because of the assignment?
I sleep
Only a bit.
Okay. So actually, there are many ways to say how are you, yeah? You can also say how have you been, yeah, to your friends, or how's life? How are you doing? If you just say how are you today, it is very common, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's very common to say how are you today, yeah? Because there are many ways to say how are you, but they just mean the same.
How are you
Okay, so
I'm doing good, Mr.
yeah, you're doing good, great. I'm glad to hear that, Nathaniel. So I hope everybody feel fine and healthy wherever you are. As said by your teacher, Pak Tadi, you have to stay strong, just stay healthy, and don't forget to exercise. You didn't have to exercise every day, maybe just
5 times a week.
5 times? Are you sure? Can you do that 5 times a week? That's good. Yeah, 2 times a week, yeah, it's enough, yeah. Because
go for a really long walk at Saturday
where
Oh,
I walk from my house to a really far away place. Not really far away, but just to somewhere kind of far.
how
Because
long? How far is it?
last time this is McDonald's
McDonald's?
was in like Cipateraya.
Oh, that's great. Yeah. So who was speaking just now? Andy, Stephen. Yeah. Oh, that's great. You can just keep it going. Yeah. We're jogging. That's great. Okay. So thank you very much for joining today's meeting. And our last meeting was on October. Yeah. Okay. So we're having a meeting again. And what month is it? What month?
November.
November, yeah. So it means we're almost done with our semester. We're almost done with semester 1, yeah. It's so fast. Do you think you're going to have home learning again next semester?
I don't know.
I don't know.
No, I don't.
I think yes.
I don't know.
I think
It's
yes.
depending on the situation.
Yeah, it depends on the situation. I guess,
I'm a bit scared of COVID.
Yes,
yeah, most schools are not
this
ready
year,
yet.
my cousin can't visit me for Christmas.
Hmm.
To my uncle.
So have you got any
From Belanda and America, Australia.
guys? Have you got any plans for Christmas?
No, not really,
Not really.
because my plans
Oh,
plans are canceled really for
yeah.
Christmas.
This is so sad. Yeah,
Me and my cousin
first
from Belanda promised to meet again next year for Christmas, but I don't think that's possible.
who is it? Your relative in Netherlands?
Mhm.
Oh, that's great. Well, I actually am a bit sad, yeah, because this is our first time to. We're going to have Christmas, and we will just
No.
we cannot open the churches. We have online worship and yeah, it's so sad. Hopefully next year we'll be getting better, yeah. Hopefully. Okay, so
I know there's Christmas.
yeah. So last week, so what did we do last week? Do you still remember? I forgot.
No.
No.
This week we have several activities, right?
Oh wait, last week I think was about we rated about something of field trips and stuff and
Yeah.
the White House.
Yeah, the White House. And then,
I really want to go to the White House. I'm serious.
have you ever been there?
I don't know.
No, I never.
No. I don't really want to go.
Have you watched the video of the White House?
Yeah.
Yeah. Great. So,
I don't know next month. It's.
if you listen, if you have watched the video, you
Let's go. Let's go.
can have a tour to White House, but you have to tell the officers 6 months before the trip, and it's free. Yeah, you can go there with your parents. Well, anyway, usually in semester 2, you're going to have field trip. Yeah.
Yay!
But
It's not a real one.
because of this pandemic,
Yeah. No way. No.
I don't think so. Because of this pandemic, not so many activities. Yeah, Queen? Dalam pramuka scout. I am not sure because of this pandemic.
When we are just like ready to want to go to a camp, but then there's COVID-19 and there's
Oh, okay.
I really want to go to Japan.
Oh, that's great. I want to go there.
I just want to go to my country. That's all.
Yeah, that's all. So,
Berarti pakai meses aja.
yeah, so we have finished our lessons, yeah. Great. And I'll give you a worksheet about plan your trip. Have you finished that?
I have. I already finished that.
Yeah, good job.
I finished it.
I think I want you to make your. Who knows? After the pandemic is over, you can make your friends
I really
real. Come true. Yeah, hopefully.
conventions
Yeah.
like VidCon or LPSCon.
We're going to discuss
I'm
about
broke.
and for PLBJ, guys.
Yeah.
This is the most important. Who's speaking there? Can I want to? Yeah. Okay. So I want to remind you again because last week you also had PLBJ assessment, and the topic is about what is it? Monuments in Jakarta. Yeah. So thank you very much for those who have submitted the videos. I really appreciate that. But I want to remind you again, for those who haven't made the videos, please don't forget to make the videos. The minimum time is 2 minutes, yeah, and the maximum time is 5 minutes. And then upload it into the Google Classroom. Yeah, the date is November 11th. Okay, because we are going to have final semester tests at the end of this month. Yeah, November 30th. I have to work faster, guys. Yeah, there's so much work that I have to do. Yeah, so let's cooperate. Yeah, kerjasama ya. Yeah, you do your job. I also do my job. Yeah. Okay.
Sure.
And unfortunately, if you don't submit your videos, PLBJ videos, unfortunately, I have to carry out a virtual Zoom meeting for the speaking test. Okay, do you want it?
Yes.
Only
Yes.
for those.
Yeah. Yes.
So
Yes.
the Zoom meeting, is for those who haven't submitted the videos, the PLBJ videos. However, for those who have submitted the videos, you don't have to join the meeting, okay? Only for those who haven't submitted the videos. How is it? Do you agree?
I don't remember.
Because I have given you so much time,
So much.
Deadline,
I
so
don't
long.
know if I finished it or not. I don't know.
You still have time, this month, before November 30th. Make sure.
Okay, what, November 13th? Then it already.
Wait, that's already passed.
Oh, 30.
30?
November 30.
Oh, yeah, okay.
This November 30 is will be our final semester test.
Already passed.
And after this virtual meeting, you're going to have, have you studied?
Yes.
Yeah, you're going to have pre-test.
Yes. Yeah.
You can take your time to study again, for pre-test 4.
Got my book.
Then you're going to watch another video and exercise again.
Okay.
That's all. Yeah. And what else? Maybe you can write about the materials for final semester tests. What are they? What are the materials? Do you want to learn from Unit 1 until Unit 4? How is it?
Maybe. Maybe.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It's too many.
No.
I might just
I mean,
not
in the
learn at all. I might learn
Don't worry.
in between.
The materials are taken from Unit 3 and Unit 4. Yeah. Only two
Okay.
units.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
because we have already used
The
Unit
question
1
is 30,
and
okay?
Unit 2 for midterm
Question
test.
is 25, see?
Mm.
So,
Yes. Yeah. What is it?
and the question is 25.
Yeah, 25 questions.
Okay.
And with, yeah, still the same multiple choice. Ah, multiple choice again. Multiple choice is easier. Okay?
Like, okay.
I guess it's easier for multiple choice questions. Yeah, 25 questions for final semester test. Yeah, so the materials, yeah, you may take a note or just keep it in your mind. The materials for final semester test are taken from Unit 3 about, what is it about? Jobs, yeah, jobs, and then going to, like, I'm going to be a doctor, I'm going to be a blah, 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 firefighter, computer programmer, and so on. And then Unit 4 about field trip. Yeah, please learn, yeah, for Unit 4, please learn about the places where you usually go during field trip. Like, during field trip, we usually go to the, what place?
Place. What place?
To space.
Wow, that is a good rhyme.
What place? What
I
place
know.
do you visit during field trip usually? What place?
Field trips anymore in this pandemic. I usually just go to my uncle's house. That's it.
I go to McDonald's.
Museum, yeah.
Aha.
The museum, there are. What do you see in the museum?
In museum, there's like the exhibits
Exhibits, yeah. Who
and
explains the
gift
information?
shop.
And zoos.
Yeah, gift shop, that's right. What do we do in the gift shop?
You buy
Buy stuff.
We buy stuff, yeah. Yeah, souvenir. And who explains and gives information?
Tour guide. Is it?
Yeah, tour guide. Who's the guy?
Who say that?
You want to be a tour guide, you should be able to speak more than one language.
No, I want to be a
designer.
I want to be an animator. I changed what I want to be.
I want to be a designer or interior designer lah.
I wanna have my own cartoon.
I want to work with Disney.
Oh, cool.
That's cool.
I want to make a 2D cartoon, not really 3D,
Because I know some of you can draw very well. Well, yeah. Hopefully you can be an animator and make animations for new movies, yeah. Okay. Now, now we are going to the White House.
Going to the White House? Okay, good.
Wait, the White House?
I mean, I guess it's free.
We're going to discuss about the questions related to the White House. And you're going to find these questions on your final semester test.
Wait. Can I ask you guys something?
Yeah, sure.
Do you guys prefer Joe Biden or Donald Trump?
Biden, all the way.
Biden.
Joe Biden.
Donald Trump has
I personally choose Biden instead of Trump.
Okay, guys, let's watch the video.
When you
Share the screen.
What video?
This is the video that you have watched a few weeks ago.
about George Washington,
Can you see the screen?
White House right today.
Yeah.
Oh, White House. Okay.
We'll
Oh
just
yeah, I
watch
see it.
the
I see it.
video again,
Okay,
and
I
then
see it.
let's try to discuss the questions. Yeah.
Oh my god.
It kind of sounds like a toilet.
White House. White House. Suaranya putus-putus.
Again.
So the White,
White
House,
House.
of facilities.
Hey guys, are you still with me?
White House.
Yes, Mr.
Can
Thomas.
remember everything.
Thumbs up. Yeah.
Nice. Yes, sir.
So have you stored any important information from the video that you have watched before? Do you remember? Hello?
Sort of, kinda.
Okay, so as I told you before, because you're going to find questions related to the White House, that's why we're going to discuss the questions. Yeah. Answer my questions, yeah?
Okay.
Okay,
Again.
got that.
Oh yeah, you may take your worksheet or notebook.
My worksheet is on my
Where is
worksheet on the laptop.
it? Where is it?
I'm just writing a random book that.
Can you see?
Yeah, I could.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll make the size a little bit bigger. Is it clear?
Yeah, it was clear the first time.
Okay, thank you. Okay, listen carefully. Yeah, now we're going to discuss the first part. Fill in the blanks, 1 until number 10. Does anybody want to read the question for number 1? Anyone?
Okay.
Come on.
What?
I'll give you points if your answer is correct. Points again.
Yay! It's like the quiz.
I don't.
Number 1. Do you remember the answer? The correct answers based on the video. It should be correct. Yeah, the answers. Number 1. Come on, from 5A class. Let me know. The White House was designed by. Hello.
Was
Are
it
you there?
designed by? Am I not supposed to answer?
The White House was designed by.
Who's supposed to answer?
From 5A, anyone? Okay,
James Coben. James Coben.
Wait, it's for the end, yeah.
James.
Evelyn, are you there? Hello.
Hello.
Evelyn.
What's the question, Mr.
Yeah, I
Damas?
can really see because my internet is lagging.
Yeah. What is it? Number one.
Langsung ada udah selesai baterainya 80 berapa?
I cannot hear you. What is it?
Sorry, Mister. I can see the video clearly because my internet is not good.
Oh, your internet is not stable. Okay, thank you. That's okay. Aya.
I'm gonna get a drink.
Aya, are you there? Could you answer number one?
Yes.
Number one? Oh, no one. The White House was designed by an Irish. American.
What is the question?
What's the question?
Architect.
Do you pay
James Hoban.
people?
Architect, yes. Named?
James Hoban.
James Hope.
James Hoban. James Bond. Number two, anyone? Now it's your turn. I have answered number one. The first president, it's easy. Of course, it's not
President
Joe
George
Biden,
Washington.
George Washington.
Yeah,
Not Joe Biden.
not Joe Biden.
Joe
Who's
Biden.
going to live in the White House now?
Joe Biden.
Who's going to live there? Who? Do you
Joe
know?
Biden.
Yeah, of course, Joe Biden. Yeah, he's the one.
He's the president.
Yeah, he's not the president of the USA.
What is actually
I guess.
Joe Biden
Like
is the new president, right?
Yeah, he's the new president.
Number three.
Trump is not allowed in the White House anymore because it's forbidden. Get it?
Somebody bring Walmart and Target to Indonesia.
Oh my God.
Oh yes, yes.
looks like
Forbidden.
Hey, hello. Number three.
Yes. I can't see the questions in my screen just because my internet is
No,
not the
the
best.
internet. Okay. Let me read the question. The first resident of the White House was.
Oh, it's the second president. What is the name?
Oh,
He was the second president.
I forgot his name.
Adam.
Yeah, John Adams. That's right. First,
this is everything.
did George Washington live there at that time?
No, he didn't.
No, he didn't. He just
He only supervised the construction.
he only supervised the construction. Number four. John Adams was the president of the USA.
Second.
Yeah, second. Okay, can anybody read? Come on.
No,
Number five.
the questions I see.
Name was the person who gave the name White House. Who is it?
President
Correct. Theodore. Gave the name White House. So what the name White House was not a random name, yeah. It was given by Theodore Roosevelt. Number six.
Yeah, actually the name
Yeah,
of the
I can't really see the questions in my screen because
Yeah.
of the internet.
If you
What's
cannot
the
the question,
question, Mr. Damas?
you are having
Mister, I
unstable
can see the
connection.
question.
Number seven, the name White House was given in what year?
I think it ended with a 1.
1901.
Wait,
No.
You know one? I forgot.
uh,
I totally forgot the year.
say,
Sir,
wait, what?
know the English one.
1601.
1901. Like, I know 101. I'm pretty sure it also started with a 1.
1901.
Just watch the video.
What's that one number?
Guys.
One.
Is there any I can't see.
Sounds like a toilet.
I don't see anything.
I'm just gonna say a random word. Among Us.
Oh, this one. Guys, not 1601. That's 2.
Oh, it's this.
I think it's 19. Oh, wait, no.
1901. 1901. What?
Nine. Is it 1901? Is it?
I can see the video.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
okay.
me too. I can't.
Is it
Watch the video at home later.
1901?
Hey guys, hello. Hey, hello.
Yeah.
You can see plain.
It is not like you read the year like 1901. No, that's not correct. Yeah, it is 9. You read this one first. 1901.
I cannot read.
Yeah, 1901.
What did I said? 1901.
Number 8. The design competition of the White House was held in
1792.
1790.
1942.
1942.
42? What?
1940.
What is this, the future?
1792.
No.
92,
1907.
Not that.
72.
It's not 1792. Guys, it is 1792. Yeah, 1792.
I know, I saved that. Don't
Thank you. Number 9. Anybody?
remember. I can't see the question.
Let me read the question.
Yeah, maybe no.
Thomas, you mean the White House was 2 replicas and they are located?
What is it?
What?
That midfield.
What?
The White House was 2 replicas that
Make that.
located, and is that the question?
Yes, it's the question. Yes.
Oh yeah, I can answer it.
Yeah, what
It's
is
in
that?
French and in Ireland.
Wow, great.
Wait, was the question about the replicas?
Yeah, about the replicas. Yes, right.
Okay.
France and Ireland. Was
Sorry, I
that,
didn't really hear that.
is that you, Queen?
Yeah, it was
It's
Queen.
in France
Thank
and
you for
Ireland.
answering the question. Number 10. There are how many cooks?
There are
5 full-time
5
chefs.
chefs cooking the president in
5 or 6?
5. It's 5.
Oh yeah, 5.
5 full-time chefs. I had 5 coupons for 5 chefs.
You can say
Now you
chefs or cooks. They are the same. Okay, the last one. Part 2. Answer the question. What is the White House?
What's the question?
The White House is an official residence, the birthplace of the President of the United States.
Yeah, the White House is the official resident. Resident is like a house. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
an or president. Yeah, that's all. And his family.
Yeah,
So Joe Biden is going to live
there with his family.
too. Not with Donald Trump. Yeah.
Donald Trump, kick him out of there.
Yeah, he has to go out. Yeah.
He has to find his own life now.
Number
Get
2.
yourself
Did
together.
George Washington live in the White House?
No, he didn't.
Yeah,
For
no.
the last time, he only supervised the construction.
He didn't. He was supervised. Supervised means
Like looked over and stuff.
Because supervising the construction of the White House.
Somebody's there listening.
Number 3. Can anybody answer, please?
What's the question?
How
The
many
question.
does the White House have?
I don't see any
The
question.
facilities. The
I
facilities.
I just have the answer in my
Has
book.
How many levels?
Oh, six.
Oh yeah, right. That's right. There are 6 levels.
And 3 elevators for no reason that I just said.
Now you can give additional
Sometimes we just give pointless information.
Sometimes.
What
Just
facilities does the White House have?
Like a tennis
court,
a swimming pool, a bowling alley.
I don't see anything.
I don't know why they need that for, but
Movie
okay.
theater and more, yeah.
Yeah, and more.
And more.
Why do they need that? I feel like it's unnecessary.
You can give other information, yeah, based on the video later.
I mean, it is.
Last question, guys. Come on. What is the requirement for getting a free ticket to the White House?
Answer the
You have to tell them like 6 months before the trip.
Every of the applications
What is it?
the White House must be
we'll need
Have to.
What is that?
What is the requirement for getting a free
You have
ticket?
to like send. I think you have to tell the White House that you're coming 6 months before, and
Yes, right. We have to tell the officials or the officers or the employees of the White House, yeah.
or whatever.
You have the point is you have to
Tell them 6
send
months
a
before.
letter.
Okay.
A letter to the White House.
A letter.
The White House.
A letter.
yeah,
That's old fashioned.
6 months before the trip. Write a letter. Sorry.
I can answer number 5.
Share grand. To start.
So that's all.
Mister, I can answer number 5.
No, we have finished.
Question. Sorry.
So we have finished, yeah. So for those who haven't finished this, you can just take your time to finish this at home, yeah.
Number 5, you will April.
Yes. Any questions so far?
When's the last study?
I don't see
for the
anything. I don't
LBJ
see
video?
anything.
Oh, sorry, there must be a technical problem. Do you have any questions before we end this meeting?
Of course not.
Me, I have a question.
Yeah, what is it?
When's the last due date for the PLB video?
Until next week. I give you time until next week, yeah.
Okay. Until the end of next week or the start of next?
Until the end of the next week.
Oh, okay.
Are there any more questions?
Enggak.
No? Is it
I
enough?
just
No.
Latihan ulangan.
Let me know if you have any questions or difficulties so that I can help you there. Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
can I?
thank you very much for joining today's meeting. That's all for today, yeah. And
Bye. Thank you so much, everybody.
so much, guys. Goodbye. Yeah.
Somebody send a letter to Joe Biden
enjoy
saying that we need target.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Just gonna say something really random. Among Us.
Among Us. Are you the
Who plays
imposter?
Among Us? Who plays Among Us here?
You're the imposter.
Me.
Me. Betrayer. Me. Me.
Aku yang recording is fine.
Among Us.
Bye-bye.
More like Among Us.
Bye.